Hey everyone, welcome back to the Coding Wallah. How's the fire to get the job? We have got a new hiring opportunity for freshers. The role is Java developer and many more. Without wasting your time, let's move to the hirings. First we have from Clover Infotech. The role is junior Java developer. Location will Mumbai. Let's talk about the responsibility of the candidate that handle in day-to-day life. You have to design, develop and maintain complex software application in the Clover Infotech, and you have to write high quality, well documented and efficient code, and you are also work closely with managers, business analysts to understand software requirements, and you have to collaborate with other developers. In line with that, you will also fix, troubleshoot and debug software issue. Following this, you are participate in code review. And let's talk about the requirements. You have minimum 3+ years of experience in Java development, including experience with Java EE, Spring Boot, Hibernate and related frameworks, and you should have experience with RDBMS. Additionally, you will familiar with testing frameworks, and you have strong analytical and communication skills. This role is for entry level, so what are you waiting for? Just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Next we have from Virtusa. The role is Java backend developer, and Virtusa is hiring for the role of Java backend developer. Here is it. Let's talk about the responsibility of the candidate. You are designing, develop and implement robust and scalable application using Spring frameworks, and you will also develop unit test and participate in code review. And additionally, you will also working on cloud environment. And let's move to the requirements. You have to proficient in Java and the Spring frameworks. Similarly, expertise in building scalable and distributed API system, strong development experience, and you have to good experience in Java, Kotlin and many more. You can read this all. And here the job location is Bangalore. This is for fresher, no prior experience required. If your skills is fulfill these requirements, so just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Next we have from Infocom. Infocom is hiring for Java developer. The location is Kochi. First talk about the responsibility of the candidate that handle in day-to-day life. You have to design, implement and maintain Java application phases, to take part in software architectural development activities, and additionally you will also handling testing and debugging. You will also handle identification, production and non-production application issue and many more. You can read this all. This is for also entry level job. So if you are interested for this role, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Next we have from FICO. The role is software engineer. The location will be Bangalore. So FICO is hiring for the role of software engineer. Here is it. Let's talk about the requirements. Bachelor, master in computer science or related fields, and you have knowledge of development and deployment. Additionally, strong knowledge of database concepts, and you have working knowledge in Java. Similarly, knowledge of database such as MySQL. Here is what they offer. You can read this all, and this is also for fresher, no experience required. So what are you waiting for? Just go and apply in which you are suitable. So bye bye, best of luck for your assessment round.